Hello friends, I am 𝒑𝒃. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So this is a question from Harvard Maths tournament and it's very conceptual question. If you are preparing for Maths Olympiad, it is a key for you, you can get an answer. Let A, B, C are three roots of P of x equals to x cube plus x square minus 3+𝒃x minus 1001. Find A3 plus B3 plus C3. So let us recall the concept of relation between the roots and the coefficient of the terms in the polynomial. We know that if a cubic equation is alpha x cube plus beta x square plus gamma x plus delta, then if roots are ABC, then sum of the roots A plus B plus C equals to minus beta by alpha, AB plus AC plus BC equals to gamma by alpha, and product of the all roots equals to minus delta by alpha. So here in this question, if we take alpha equals to 1, beta equals to your 1 again, gamma equals to minus 333, and delta is equals to minus 1001. So A plus B plus C, ABC are roots, so A plus B plus C equals to your minus 1, AB plus AC plus BC equals to minus 333 over 1, so it will be minus 333, and your our ABC equals to your 1001, it will be positive. So we have to find the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ. So we will recall all the formula related to this. For that I am taking the help of A plus B plus C whole cube equals to, you can derive yourself also, this formula equals to AQ plus BQ plus CQ plus 3 A plus B, B plus C and C plus A. So using this formula I am not getting AQ plus BQ plus CQ because this will not help me. So then I will derive some more formula where I can use all these things. So let's take, this can be written as, I am writing your 3 times of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is nothing but your 3 times of, I am multiplying all this, AB plus AC plus B square plus BC multiplied by C plus A, then I am getting 3 times of ABC plus A square B plus AC square plus A square C plus B square C, B square A plus BC square plus ABC. So ABC I am getting twice ABC. Here what I need again another A plus B plus C, so that I can factorize this to get some result which I can use. So for that I am taking A square B, B square A and 1 ABC together. A square B plus B square A plus ABC together. Next I am taking b square c, bc square plus 1 abc. Left is your this two left, a square c plus ac square plus another abc is not there, so I am writing here, I am taking one abc minus abc is left. Okay, so I added, and out of these three together I'll take something common. Let's see. Here I am taking AB common. I am getting A plus B plus C. Next, taking common BC, B plus C plus A, and taking AC common, I'll get A plus C plus B, and here your minus 3ABC left. So I'll apply this formula instead of this. Now, when you are appearing for any competitive examination, you can remember the formula. This how I derived this formula. So this will be AQ plus BQ plus CQ plus 3 times of ABC, A plus B plus C, and I am getting AB plus AC plus BC, and what is left? This is left, minus 3 times of ABC. So these values are with me. So from this I am separating now AQ plus BQ plus CQ. So this equals to A plus B plus C whole cube minus 3 times of A plus B plus C into AB plus AC plus BC, and this minus negative 3 ABC will be positive 3 times of ABC. We have all the values. We have A plus B plus C is minus 1, and AB plus AC plus BC equals to minus 333, 333, and ABC equals to 1001. So now it will be very easy to calculate. So the value of AQ plus BQ plus CQ equals to minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 into minus 333 plus 3 ABC, 3 into 1001. So this equals to minus 1 minus 999 plus 3003. So what is the result? Result is 3003 minus 1000. Answer is 2003. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching the video.